Alright, welcome guys, welcome back to the video. Listen, I'm not a big YouTuber. I just want to explain why I want to do YouTube. I'm in my jam. It's the same day. I'm going to be recording a lot of videos today throughout quarantine, just to keep you guys entertained. A video I uploaded about 20 minutes ago, it already has 10 views. I'm sorry. Listen, I know that's not very big, but for my second video ever on my YouTube channel, that's pretty big. Thank you guys for the support, the 10 people who watched my video. Thank you guys so much. I just want to explain in this video kind of like why I want to do YouTube and just the point of like what I want to get. I don't expect to get like those big YouTubers like Jelly or PewDiePie. I just want a simple, maybe 1,000 subscriber YouTube channel. That would mean the most to me ever. I just want to put myself out there and say, hey, you know, it's your option. I ain't forcing you. I don't like those YouTubers who just like ask for you to hit the like button, subscribe, and I don't cheat my way through stuff. See, I'm going through the same problem everybody else is. I just think that, you know, if I can put myself out there to hook up a decent amount of people, that'd be nice. So, just to know, you know, it's just so much easier, and I think that if you guys really can just put me out there, anybody that's seeing this, maybe put my video on Instagram, anything, just do it. It would mean the world to me. I honestly, it would mean the world to me just to do that, because I think this is my dream, and I think that it would mean the world to me if you guys could, anybody that's watching this could put this up and say, hey, here's this small YouTuber, can just go subscribe to him and give him some support, because, you know, I just wish that, like me and a lot of other small YouTubers, yes, I do a Twitch a lot. Oh, my eyes are dry eye. But the thing is, I'm sorry, I hit the mic. The thing is that I want the big YouTubers to stop getting so much attention and for people to focus on the small, like, streamers and YouTubers, because they have a chance, and I bet they're as good as, or even better than the people who just got big for people liking them. Just go give them support, give me some support, give other people some support, just do it. It's so simple and easy. It's just not like, oh, blah. I'm not trying to be the YouTuber who's just like trying to convince you to give me support. Listen, it just mean the world to me. You don't have to do it to me. Just go to some small YouTubers out there. Just go subscribe to them. Do whatever, because it's so easy. You know, my friend next door, go subscribe to his YouTube channel, Philly5K. Just do it. Just support us through this journey and make our dreams come true. It would mean the world. It would mean the world to me and to my friend AJ. It would just mean the world to us, because we both try pretty hard, and it's a very difficult process trying to make videos for you guys now that I've really learned how to like upload a video and do this kind of stuff for you guys. Knowing that this is just a hard time, and trying to make videos for you guys, if this actually gets out to some people and people come and get some support and start watching me, then that's going to mean that I'm going to have to try harder and harder and harder to get content for you guys, and that's going to be hard. But as long as you guys like it, I will do it, because this is one of my only dreams. This is sports and this. So this is one of my dreams, and I would love for you guys to please just subscribe and hit the like button. You don't have to. I'm not convincing you. I'm not one of those YouTubers who are like, you know, yo, subscribe, hit the like button, do it now, you know? I'm a popular YouTuber, just do it. Like, I'm not one of those people. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do anything I said. All I'm asking for is if you would like to, and just to make my day and make my whole life, to just put this out there especially if you're a little popular on some kind of platform, Facebook, YouTube, or anywhere else. I just, yeah, you know what, I'll be even nice. Shout out to some of my favorite YouTubers like Unspeakable, Sniper Wolf, Sunday, Jelly, all those kinds of people, all Beastie, more Beastie, stuff like that, Azuland, stuff like that. Just shout out to them. I mean, they're great YouTubers, and I just wish that sometimes, maybe a little bit, people could focus on smaller streamers. That's perfectly fine if people don't want to. Or streamers or video people who just have a small YouTube channel. Please go give the bigger YouTubers some support, but I'm just asking you to maybe go to some smaller YouTube channels and maybe go subscribe to them or give them a like. It'd probably make their day and it'd make my day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.